Hello everyone. In tonight's video, I will show you a way that we can resolder a connector using only the soldering iron without using air, and we will not use either detachment thread. And we will solder it again with only the soldering iron and just the flux, nothing else. I will use one square wire, which I will make into so that the soldering iron fits inside. I will use a square wire, which I will make into so that the solder fits inside, so that if it gets disturbed all at once, uniformly, and so that it can come unstuck. Look how it's done. I'll speed it up a bit, so I don't tire you out. Here we place the wire and simply fill it inside, okay? Make sure it goes all around here and heat it. Here exactly in the middle, only the core, and it heats up evenly all around. We will see that in a little while. It will all move together, and we will take it with the approach. Here it is exactly, and it came off. The solder that remains, we will take directly with the soldering iron. No need for a blower because there is flux, and I have a wide tip on the soldering iron. It directly pulls the solder and removes it. That was it. The reflowed one came out. We see it here. Now I will also unsolder the wire over the reflowed part, and this will come off easily as soon as I touch it with the soldering iron. Here it is. This is ready too, and I will clean its legs a bit. For it to be soldered again, the legs don't need to be completely clean. That is, even if I snap off a small twig, it doesn't matter, because we will see later how to glue it. We don't mind much that it will have some rough spots on top. We just clean it little by little. Notice here how it cleans easily. When you have the flex and the flat cables, what do we use with the soldering iron? And we simply place the flex and touch the contacts on top. Here it is ready. So let's see how we'll solder it now. We are back at the circuit board here. We see that the flax residue remains on top. I will clean it here at this spot, just with propanol and a cloth. I clean thoroughly to remove the flax with the cloth. And I clean thoroughly the flax with the cloth. And I clean the flax, and I clean the flax, and I clean the flax, and I clean the cloth, and I clean the flax, and I clean the cloth, and I clean the flax, and I clean the cloth, and I clean the flux, clean the flux, and I clean the flux, clean the flux, and I clean the flux, clean the flux, and I clean the flux and the cloth well. It turns out well, and I secure it with 2 solder joints. That is, I tin it and make a solder joint here. I don't care what boils. I'll tack a piece on top. I'll strengthen it a bit and tack another piece on top. And now I'll put flax all around it and just glue it. I'll solder all the legs with the soldering iron. I don't care, even if it gets wet and flexible. I don't care. It is stuck now. The only thing needed is to remove the glue. I won't need something like the small thread. I don't need it. As long as I have flux, I don't need anything else. I clean my soldering iron with an air blower and remove the solder, then apply flux. To completely remove the solder from the tip is thoroughly clean. And you can see here that the tip slowly pulls the solder away. Look here. This will come. Let's move to the other side. Flux and soldering iron tip. Let's go to the other side. Flux and tip of the soldering iron. We said nothing more. Look. Flax. And the nose. You see how it cleans directly. That's it. I will clean it as well, so you can see it on the camera too. The soldering is ready. It looks perfect. Nothing else is needed. So, that was the video. If you liked it, I look forward to your comments. Just a little bit. See that it's very easy for you to do it too. We just need to have flux. Flux for a wide tip on the soldering iron. That's what we need. I've said it before. I've said it again. These are all that's needed. Well then, folks, take care.